guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you these two gorgeous ways you can achieve crochet box braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these looks, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam and my rat tail comb to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear. So I'm trying to have like an illusion like I have individual braids, and then I'm going to cornrow the back. So I'm just going to do a straight line, on the side right there, and then I'll apply my Shine and Jam just to make sure the line is really nice and clean or whatever. And then I'm going to section the hair into 3 pieces, okay? So once I section the hair, I'll apply my Shine and Jam, and then I'll section the hair into 2, and then I'm just going to twist it all the way down. So I like to do the twist method because it's very easy. It's also easy for my crochet needle to go through, sis, okay? So the second section right there, I'm just going to apply my Shine and Jam. I'll separate the hair into 2, and then I'll place the hair that I already twisted from the first section, combine it with one side of the hair from the second section, and then just twist them all the way down. So this is very easy. It's going to come out as individual box braids. We're going to try to have this illusion like we have box braids all over my head, sis. Okay, especially in the front section, because that's where you want to do like some easy styles or whatever. Going to show you guys again how I do this. I just go like on the sides, I do like 3 lines, and then on the top right there I do 4 lines. Very easy. It actually takes me about 25 minutes to do my sections as well as my corners in the back, and then another like 30 minutes 45 minutes to do my crochet. Okay, sis, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna combine the hair from my sections, and then I'm just gonna braid this all the way down, just exactly the way I'm doing, sis. Very easy braid. You don't have to do much, especially that the braiding parting is not gonna show. So that's exactly what I'm doing, just simple cornrows all the way down. It doesn't have to be serious, anything serious. It just has to be basic cornrows just for you to crochet the hair in. Going to be using my Jamaican black castor oil mixed in with my coconut oil. So I'm just gonna oil my scalp because it's very important for you to oil your scalp, sis. You don't want to have your hair itching or anything like that. Okay, so I'm using this X-pression hair. These are 45 strands pre-made box braids, and these are 26 inches. I'm going to be using my crochet needle as well, so I'm just gonna place the crochet needle in. You can open the crochet a little bit more. Place the crochet braid on the hook, close the latch, pull it in, and then you're going to get the corner of the crochet and place it into the hole right there and pull it out. So I'm going to show you guys another way that you can use this crochet needle to pull in the crochet itself without like using your fingers. So you're just going to pull the crochet needle in, place the crochet on the hook, close the latch, and then pull it out, and then go to the corner right there with the same crochet. Just hook the corner of the braid, right, and then close the latch and pull it out, just exactly the way I'm saying it. Okay, so very easy. So I'm going to show you guys again. Okay, so you're just going to pull the crochet needle in, place the crochet on the hook, close the latch, and then pull it out. So don't let the crochet needle out. Just go down to the corner where you have the crochet, the end of your crochet, and then pull it out, just exactly the way I'm doing, guys. So I'm using 2 packs for this whole look. You can use more or you can use less if you want your braids to be full or you don't want them that full, sis. Okay, it's just up to you. Place the crochet needle in, okay? Place the crochet braid on the hook, close the latch, pull it out, and then take the corner of the crochet, the braid itself, place it on the crochet hook, and close the latch and pull it out. Exactly the way I'm saying, very easy. Oh my gosh, and this actually saves you time because this is very, very fast. And actually, you do it one time, you're going to get used to it, and you're just going to do it seamlessly. While we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? juicy. Yes, sis. This is a very easy protective style for my sisters who like box braids but cannot do box braids to save their life, or they hate sitting down for hours and hours and hours. Because sis, when I tell you, you can sit down for 8-9 hours trying to do these box braids. Okay, this is very easy. You can get this done in an hour, oh my gosh, and still look like you got single braids in your hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is just perfect, sis. These are beginner friendly, like anybody can actually do this. I am super hyped about us, sis, doing hair by ourselves. I mean, doing these box braids in an hour, sis, we are winning. This video is not sponsored, sis. These braids are very soft and very, very light. Oh my gosh, like I felt like I don't have any braids in my hair. I mean, when you do braids by yourself, like single braids by yourself, sometimes they get a little heavy, but this says very light. Oh my gosh, and nobody would never know. Who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know, sis. Nobody's gonna know that you got crochets, okay? You're gonna take your edge booster just to make sure your edges are laid or whatever. And baby, when I tell you, these braids came all the way through. Yes, sis. Okay, Miss Tupo looking like she has braids, single braids all over her head. Actually, it's crochet, sis. Okay. I am living for these braids. Let me know if you guys are loving them. Let me know if you guys like them. Let me know if you guys will be trying these braids soon. Okay, you guys can go for this. These are easy, very light, and this video is not sponsored, by the way, sis. I'm gonna give you the real tea, honey. Okay. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling this look. My hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam and my Rockville comb. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair on the side, exactly the way I'm doing. I'll section it all the way to the back because I want to have like the individual illusion all the way to the back. If you want to be able to put your hair in a bun, this is how you're going to have to do the line, sis, okay? Once I'm done sectioning the line, I'm going to apply the Shine and Jam just to make sure the line is really nice and clean or whatever. I'm going to be sectioning the hair into sections, and then I'll apply my Shine and Jam, separate the hair into two, and then I'm going to twist it all the way down. And then when I get to the second section, I'm going to apply my Shine and Jam again, and then separate the hair into two. Take the hair from the first section to the second section, and then twist them together all the way down. So I'm gonna section about 5 boxes on that line, guys. Exactly the same way when I get to the third section, I'm going to apply my Shine and Jam, separate the hair into two, take my hair from the second section to the third section, and then I'm going to twist them together all the way down. And then the same thing goes to the fourth section and the fifth section, guys. So I decided I was gonna do 2 lines at the back right there because I want to be able to put them up in a bun. The rest of the hair is just gonna be cornrowed, you know what I'm saying, like exactly the way we do it, because I was trying to save some time. So together, just sectioning my hair took me about 30 minutes. So it's gonna take you a little longer because you're doing a little bit more sections in the back as well. Okay, but other than that, you're going to be fine, sis. The hair that's remaining from the boxes, cornrow that together, you know, with the hair on the middle right there. That way it's really nice and flat or whatever. Once I'm done braiding the hair, I'm just gonna take my coconut oil, mix it with my Jamaican black castor oil. We're gonna be moisturizing this hair, sis, because you know when you're getting a protective style, you gotta moisturize your scalp. So I'm gonna be using this X-pression hair. This is already pre-made box braids, and it comes 45 strands in one pack. And I'm using this crochet needle, okay, that I got from Amazon, of course. So I'm gonna show you guys, because this loop right here is really tiny. So this technique that I do, you guys gotta master this, okay? Because this is actually really good for any type of crochet braids. So you're gonna place the crochet needle in, open the latch, take your crochet hair, place it on the needle, close the latch, pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out. take your crochet needle again, place it in the loop, okay? And then go all the way to the tail where you have like the little tail right there, you know, and then you're going to take that and place it on the latch again, close it and pull it out. That way you can actually pull this out without trouble, sis. You know, you're just gonna do the illusion wherever you had your twist situation going on or whatever. While I'm still talking, sis, are you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting wet. Juicy! Yes! Today's shout out goes to Leah Beauty and Lifestyle. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, sis. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for the love all the way from Kenya, honey. Yes! And I watch your YouTube videos too, sis. You are doing the damn thing. Okay, sis. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna go ahead and then start adding in the 27. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the 27, you know, sprinkle it here and there. I'll do more of the 27 in the front just because, you know, I want to spice it up more. So I'm doing like the 30 and then I'll do the 27, 30, 27. I'm just gonna do whatever, you know, just to make sure the 27 comes all the way through, baby, because I'm trying to, you know, look cute out in the streets. Done, I'm going to be using my Kiss Edge Fixer. You guys already know what it is by now, right? We gotta lay these baby hairs down or whatever. And baby, when I tell you, this came all the way through. Yes, sis. I am feeling these braids right here. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this braid, sis. This hairstyle is very versatile. You can actually put it up in a bun. You can just put it up in a ponytail just the way I did. I mean, I look like Miss Tupo got some individual box braids all the way around, honey. Let me know if you guys are feeling this color right here, this 27 and 30, if it's coming all the way through for you, sis. You know, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without accessorizing. I had to add some gold accessories here and there, and baby, it took the style all the way to boom, 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 100. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think this is a hot all year round kind of hairstyle, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all you're doing for my channel. I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring, honey. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.